I'm back at the seaside again. It's late in the evening, almost dark. The ocean, wild and furious. Angry. Nice fog is setting in, so I'm gonna have to get going out of here. Otherwise, I don't know if I can have it. Look at that, gorgeous. And it smells very sea-like, if you will. I don't know what this green goo is. I see it in the ocean, I see it on the beach. But it's all misty, spooky. I gotta head back home. This is Orchid Beach. Just hopscotch out of Gold Beach, Oregon. Too bad for all this. We're going through all this grass to get to my truck. But of a ways, I could sit out here all day and just listen to them. Being a Midwestern boy, we don't have this sort of thing. Maybe I should stick to the rivers and lakes that I'm used to. That's a waterfall. Never mind. Got sand in my shoes. Icky. These woods. Sorry I'm breathing so hard. But again, fat, old, and out of shape. So, there you have it.